Hi guys, I'm just gonna show you how I repaired my VW T4 glove box door, cheap and easy. So what I did was I got a little L bracket like this from Aldi in a pack of about 20 or 30 different sizes, and I flattened it out and I bent it into shape. As you can see, I put a bolt through, glued the piece that had broken off, which is here, as you can see, and bent this into shape, tapped it with a self-tapper there, drilled and self-tapped, and then put a little bolt through there, and now it is solid. I also, just to be on the safe side, made one for the other side, as that was just starting to crack, as you can see. Common fault with these, easy fix. Thanks for looking.